Faceless Beauty. Story 5. Layered Enhancement. Summer's ultra-layered looks are low maintenance but ride high on style and glamorous movement. Long layers. The perfect haircut to release weight and create long-lasting style. Get the look with bodybuilding fiber mousse, styling balm, and dry shampoo. Styling balm. The ultimate lightweight, multifunctional balm that gives layers their definition and texture. This is a must-have in your hair care arsenal. Bodybuilding fiber mousse. Luxurious, ultra-rich styling mousse wraps your layers in invisible fibers, creating volume and thickness with lots of movement and shine. Dry shampoo. This style refresher and oil absorber instantly extends hairstyles and builds volume. Every tote bag should have one. Discover Faceless Beauty Story 5 and find all products at ECRUNewYork.com.